Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Garuda Indonesia Economy Amenity Kit. You get this when you take a flight with them and you don't have as much money as the business class people, just like me. I'm just an economy bastard. And on the front you will find this cool looking, painting of Bali, and on the back got the Garuda Indonesia logo with the Sky Team logo, and this is it. So of course we want to know what's inside, and I got a second one opened up just for that occasion. The first thing is, it's pretty funny actually, it's actually really neat, but I was surprised because it's a pair of socks, brown socks. The Garuda house styling is brown. It's not the prettiest, but it works, and you don't have to sweat into your own socks and shoes when you're in the plane. The next best thing is earplugs, which you will need for crying babies, but, well, especially when you want to sleep, it can be really handy. And it's also pretty handy when you experience a lot of pressure in the airplane. And last but not least, the greatest item airplane traffic has ever found out. And of course, it's a sleeping mask, an eye mask. You got a little thing for your nose here. It's actually quite comfy. It's pretty good. I tried it out. And for an economy class flight, it's actually pretty good. I didn't expect this. So I'm going to rank it 5 out of 5 stars. Love Garuda. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.